guys, welcome back to Ton of Tens. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Jabra Elite 3 not charging. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So in this case, if your Jabra Elite 3 here is not charging, well, there are a few things here that you could actually do. So the first thing that you could actually do here is you want to make sure that this is not a hardware thing. So what I mean, not a hardware thing here, you want to make sure that your charging cord, your charging adapter, is actually working properly. So in this case, you may want to try this on another device, like use your cord in another device here, or use a different cord that you could actually use for charging here on your Jabra Elite 3 here, and just to make sure that the cord and the adapter is not a problem. Also, you may want to clean your Jabra Elite 3 here. So in this case, you want to remove both your earbuds here, and you should see contact points at the very bottom of this section. Now you want to go and just softly blow into it, so that in this case, that actually basically remove any debris that is preventing you from charging your earbuds here. Which in this case, that should actually most likely solve your issue here. But if none of this actually works, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to do a soft reset. Now, what do you need to do here? So you want to press and hold the contact points here. So both your earbuds, they're actually still inside your charging case here. When I press and hold those two contact points here until you see the lights actually start blinking on them. Now, if you do see them start blinking, hold them for a few seconds more and just let go, and that should reset them. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.